So you join us for another product spotlight video here at Carbonwurks. Today we're looking at Maxton Design. So our friends Maxton actually originated over in Poland in 2006. Maxton UK came around in 2012, so they're based up in Leeds. So this is the third vehicle we've worked with these guys on. So as you can see, we've actually got a full kit here for the X5 that we've got on the ramp today. So Maxton basically cover anything that can have some sort of splitter, diffuser, side skirt or spoiler lip extension. This is their gloss black sort of street version. So this is ABS plastic. Comes with all the fittings that you're going to need, fitting instructions. So for this kit, we've got a front splitter here, a rear diffuser there, rear boot spoiler, it's a full part, and then a pair of side skirts either side. So things to note, these are all fit over top parts, so they go over the top of the original components, no need to remove anything. Supplied with fixings as previously stated, and yeah, available from UK stock, Maxton Designs UK, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. We're going to get this on the car. The previous bits we've already fitted to our Mini and the i3 we're really pleased with, so we're hoping this will be much the same. Thanks for tuning in. Keep your eyes peeled up for our next product spotlight video. Thanks.